All right, hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how we're creating and editing badges. Okay, now this is going to be preliminary, and you can see we've got some different badges in here. Um, and so these are really easy to make once you have the base template. So you can see, I'm going to zoom in. We're at 100%. These are very small. These are only 64 pixels each, so they're not very large. But as we zoom in, you will see this is a rough start. I do have someone who's going to clean these up and kind of choose one, find something that looks really good. Designing is not my gift, but you'll see this is the badge template. It did actually used to have something in the middle, and I cut it out and just filled the whole thing in with the same badge color. So we do have other badge options. I think this one looks nicer. It just looks clean. But either way, whatever we end up doing, how it's going to work is we're going to come in here. So say we've created a strategist badge. Let's say that's what we did. What I'm going to do in Elementor is I'm going to come over to elements and I'm going to look up like strategist. What do I think of? I think of a chess piece. Okay, so you can see we already have the queen there, but let's just say chess piece. And there we go. So we're looking at chess pieces. I'm looking for one that I can just fill in with a single color. Okay, so there's one right there. These are a little bit more maybe detailed than I would be looking for, but we can play with it. Okay, so let's say I like that color, and maybe I'm going to stick with that color. You know, we can play around with it. Maybe the chess piece is white, but again, I think that doesn't really follow the design very well. Maybe that one might look better down here. Either way, so we'll get something pretty easy, and we're going to put that right there. And then we have our strategist badge. And what we do from there, once we have everything centered, you'll see that the lines will be there to tell us it's centered. So probably right about there. And once we have this and we're ready to upload it to the site, this is how we're going to do it. We're going to share, then we're going to download, and you'll see 64 pixels by 64 pixels. I'll zoom in on that so everybody can see. Okay. We are going to click transparent background. We don't want a big white background coming up on everything. So we need transparent background. And then you're going to select only the badges you want. So let's say we just made this first one here. We're going to unselect all of them. Oh, why do I have that one selected? That's weird. Unselect all of them and select page 1. And then I'm going to hit done. And download. Okay, so you'll see this is downloading. It's going to go up. There we go. So I have it. And now the way I'm going to put this into the badge, which should be here. And I'm not going to keep this in the badge because, again, I'm going to have someone reviewing and updating these and cleaning them up. But set achievement image, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to, you'll see I already have some in here, but I'm going to go upload file, select file. And then you'll see we've got our new badge there. Open. Set. And you'll see down here, we now have the badge on the page. We'll update it. And there we go. So now when we go back to the editing page, we should see that the strategy badge, wherever that is, let's see, which apparently I did not save. Yep. Okay, so I didn't actually publish it. So oops. Let's see if we can go back. Thought I did. Okay. Strategist, do we have the image in there? Yes, we do. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and, oh yeah, it is published. I just don't know where it is. So we're going to update it. Okay, so it is published. Come back over here and we'll see if we can't just see it so we all know how that works. Ministry strategist. There we go. And you can see we've got our little badge there. I'll zoom in so everybody can see. Here we are. And so this will then appear on the profiles and in the feeds and in the conversation, like next to your name when you're communicating in groups and all this stuff. So we can kind of start to develop sort of a reputation system within the within the platform where people are able to kind of have things to strive for and achieve and have a reason to have fun kind of learning and getting through some of this training, which is dense. So any thoughts or questions on how to take a badge and put it into the achievement? Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay, great. Well, we will stop this recording and we'll see you in the next one.